Namaskaram and welcome in our Salesforce Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand what is Service Cloud, how does the service process work. Okay, so first thing, before we starting all these topics and things, you need to understand these things as a business. Let's say if we are a business, let's say we are a company and our name is Ram Mobiles, I'm running that company, then definitely if I'm selling the product and if there is any issue in my mobile, anything, then I need to provide good services to my customer. So if they are happy, then they will buy more product from my shop or my company. Okay, otherwise they will definitely not buy anything, and even they will do legal cases and all of those things on me, and I have to see all those things. Okay, so for that process, for that thing only, Salesforce is offering a completely different product or cloud as service cloud. Okay, so let's understand what is service cloud. So the service cloud case management process in Salesforce help organize sessions to track and manage and resolve customer inquiries, issues, or requests referred as cases efficiently. Okay, it enables support teams to provide consistent service, prioritize the cases, and close them faster by using automated workflows, intelligent routing, and unified interface. Okay, so how Salesforce is helping the companies basically. So normally, once any customer is reaching out and they are saying that this is the issue that I'm facing, then our in Salesforce one case will be created. Okay, even before that one, let's just see that how even this is working. So we do have, if you go to our notes, then I have already provided a link. Even you can zoom out this thing, or you can open this Canva also. Okay, now we are here. Okay, so as a service process, we are just covering the case management. There are a lot of things. Okay, one thing that you should be very clear in that one, that we will be having a lot of thing in this one, but now we are just understanding very simple and basic thing, that is case management. Okay, so in if we even just see the case management, then in case management, normally what we'll see is, let's first go to our process, that cases will come in our system using email or service center or website. Okay, these are the sources of our case. Okay, so case means the request or the issue that customer is facing, basically that is a case in our Salesforce. Okay, even let us log in and see where we'll be able to see that one. So you can directly go to app launcher and type service. So here, if we go here, then we are in our service cloud now, and in service cloud we'll be able to see the cases. Okay, these are the cases that we have. Okay, now if I just click on the new button, then we can create the cases. Let's say we are service team member. Okay, service team member, then we can create the cases. Customer came to our service center, and then just in the case origin, we can say email, phone, web, or service center. So let's say he just came through the phone, and then which customer came. So basically, Ramesh, that was there in our journey, he only came back, and ABC company is coming back from ABC company. So we need to tag this customer and his company also, so we will get track that what was the product that he selected previously, and all those things we can see basically. Okay, so now in the type, he can just say which kind of issue he is having, let's say all those things. Okay, case reason, and these things will take up later. Okay, so which was the product, so we can just select that particular product over here, and then he can just put the subject that mobile is not working. Okay, so this is the complaint that he can have. Now let's save this thing, and we have a case in our system. So what will happen is a case will come from our website, or whenever he is calling our call center, or he directly came to our service center, and we can create the case. And now the sales a service team member, basically. Okay, team member will be there always. He will have a service team in that one. Service team member will be there. He will open this case, and then he will just check what are the details that are there, and then he will start working on it. Okay, so we will be having a status, this one. So new status is there. Now if we are working on this one, then he'll just change the status to working. Okay, now even let's just save it. We are having a save button. Okay, let me close this modal. We'll be able to see. Okay, now we are working on this case. Now let's get back to this thing. So case is collected from multiple channel. Okay, cases collection is done. Now case assignment will be also there. So in our sales later in our journey, I'll show you that in service how we can route the case to correct team member. But right now I'm just showing that he directly picked the customer. Now we can set the priorities. Okay, that whether this is on the high priority, customer is very angry on us. Okay, that time we can set the priority as a high priority. Okay, high priority, medium, or low priority. This priority also we can set. So whenever our service team member is working, he can see the high priorities first, then he can work on the medium priorities. Like that he can work and manage his things efficiently, basically. Okay, so okay, and then he will take he will check the resolution of our uh, case. Okay, if phone is not working, he will check the phone, he will see all those things. And even in our Salesforce also, we will have knowledge article, macros, collaboration, all those things we will be having. So he can just collaborate to him, like he will text to him, he will call to him, he will check like what exactly thing is not working, and even he can update the thing over here. Okay, so all those things will be managed in our Salesforce as a case also. Okay, let's get back here. Now he will communicate to customer also. Let's say if we are working on our things, then he need to shoot an email, or he need to tell as a on phone that, hey, we are working on your case, please give us some time so we can close your issue and we can resolve your issue. Okay, so this is how we can just tell to him. Okay, now once this is done, then we'll close this case, basically. Okay, so we'll have status for close. Okay, right now we are not able to see this one, but we'll have a case status as a close. So we'll just mark that one as a close, and this case will be closed from our side. Okay, and we need to communicate to the customer. Okay, so if I show you, once the case closure is done, then we need to put the resolution, and even we need to communicate to our customer that, hey, your this is done and case will be closed. We have to close the case in all the situation, whether whatever situation is there, if customer is facing, we have to resolve those things. Okay, so let's say case reason was like installation thing was not good. Okay, for this thing only we were facing the issue, so we will just put this thing. What was the SLS? Okay, SLS is violated or not, this is one of the business terminology that we will cover later in the journey. So this time it was not. Okay, and then uh, it was potential liability, no, it was not. So all those things we can just put. Okay, so in our reports we can track. In later in our journey we will see how the reports are there, and even why we tag this account and this context. So if I just even let me directly, if I am here. Okay, now if I just hover on this one, then we can see that one of the opportunity that was came, and that is marked as closed one, and this is the amount that was having. Okay, 2 lakh of amount product we sold to him. This is the close date when he buy this particular product. So all these information we can see. Even we can go to this opportunity, we can see this is the product that he buy basically. Okay, so all those information we can see. This is why actually we will see account and content. So if we understand, then in service process or case management, we'll just have a case object, account object, and contact object. That's it. Other thing will be just related to this one. So we'll proceed. Okay. So this is how service process works in Salesforce. So please create a case from your side, work on it and close it. So you will get good understanding of this one. Before starting any customization, we need to understand this one. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. We will meet you in the next video. Till that, keep learning and exploring the thing and complete the assignment on time. We'll meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Jai Hind.